Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia classic espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because there was no water flow, very low water flow coming out of the group head, and that was because the solenoid valve was not doing its job and it was not opening properly and letting water flow through the from the water pump through the steam thermoblock and then through the group head. And we replaced it. This is the other one. We replaced the three-way solenoid valve, and now as you can see, we're having nice flow coming out of it. Cold water coming out of the roof head. There's an excellent flow coming out of the steam one as well. And really great flow coming out from the group head. And there you have it, Gaggia Classic working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.